What is going on, everybody? Today we have a flashlight from EagTac. It is the D3A Clicky with the Nichia 219C high CRI, and it's in titanium. I love these AA flashlights that have the capability of just using a standard AA battery. The 14500s are great, don't get me wrong. You're going to get better performance out of them. But I love the idea of just using a standard AA battery. If you need to grab a battery somewhere, you can just grab a standard one, throw it in your flashlight, you're good to go. You know, so it really works out very universally. The military uses a lot of battery-powered things that use extremely easy and common batteries, such as AA's especially. It's like for scopes and lasers and stuff like that. They like to use those batteries because they can get them anywhere. So I thought this would be a cool flashlight. They're pretty affordable and they're very underrated. You don't see anyone really hardly at all ever talking about this brand, so I definitely wanted to check them out. Okay, so there's your model number. Some more information over here in case you guys want to see any of it. I'm sure there'll be a lot more information inside. Okay, it comes with a cool carrying post. Okay, there's the lanyard. Okay, well, this looks like. Okay, get rid of that. Yep. Okay, so we got a lanyard there. Does this say anything? Yeah, it gives you a basic rundown, I guess, of the pieces. So, okay, cool. Let's get to the good stuff. So, cool pouch. So, yeah, it will work with Molly. So that's cool. Or you could put a keychain thing on it and hang it. So that's cool. That's not usually how I carry a flashlight, but oh, very cool. Very nice. All right. Let's see what we got going on. Okay, we don't have a battery. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Okay, 14500. See, luckily I have a lot of flashlights that use these. So, oops, that's a flat top. It might work. It might not. We'll see here. That's a flat top. So, yep, it works. Okay, so this flashlight has two different mode sets. So your standard mode set is right to high, and then with a half click you get the strobe. So that's pretty cool. And then if you untwist just a little bit, you go right into low mode. Then you can half click through medium all the way up to, yeah, there's three modes. So low, lower, medium, and then up to your high. I like that. That gives you a lot of options. So if you're at night and you know you just need a high mode, bam, you can just go right to high mode. If you're getting up in the middle of the night or something and you don't want to wake anybody up, just untwist it a little bit and right to low mode, and you don't disturb your night vision. I like that. You know what you're getting constantly no matter what, and then you can click right through the modes to get to a higher mode. I like that. That's a very simple to use, get to right to what you want. So I like that a lot. And I like how you can get right to the strobe. Disco mode. Ooh, look at us. Okay. Probably should have put a warning there. So yeah, very, very cool. I like the size. Very, very nice. And you can tail stand it. So it's got a nice rubber clicky right there, but you can tail stand it, so I do like that. Yeah, very nicely made. Got a nice grip on it to use it. So Yeah, I look forward to carrying that. I like the I like double A flashlights. I think they're a perfect size. I mean, like I said, especially when you can use just a standard double A battery. I think that really helps stand out and gives you a lot more flexibility. So yeah, I like that a lot. So very cool. There you guys go. That is the EagTac D3A Clicky with the Nichia 219C CR192 titanium. Alright guys, hope you have a great day. We will catch you next time.